I really don't know what this microphone's picking up, but can you hear the cicadas? Cicadapocalypse 2024 has begun. I don't know how much bigger this will get or not. And I'm sure I'm not living in the epicenter that'll be the busiest, but they are absolutely everywhere around here. So we're just going to do a short little video in my own property, my own yard here, and just check out the cicadas. I hear them. I've been hearing them all day. I just looked up into the trees and the neighbors, and I'll probably have to try and zoom this video in a little bit. But as you look up in the trees, you just see cicadas flying, swarming. It's like there's a beehive. But they're not bees. It's not a hive. It's a brood, a super brood. Let's go to the front and check things out. I started to notice the other day the shells, the skins or whatever, the carcasses attaching to the fences and whatnot. They seem to be just landing on everything. Sometimes when I'm doing work in the garage, I park my car out here under this tree, and they love my tires for some reason. If you look at the ground in my driveway, yeah, there's sticks and stuff here, but littered with cicada carcasses. And if you look out in the street, you'll see the same thing. And then you look a second time at things. The fence, the ground. It's not leaves. Those are cicada skins. And you look up the tree. They're covering it. Shells everywhere. I walked through the yard earlier today, and I noticed some on this bush, and then I noticed they were on the other bushes around it, and then I just looked down in the grass, and I noticed there were cicadas and their carcasses, or their shells, whatever you want to call them, just all over the place, like right there. This tree, not as covered as the big trees, but they're all over it. I don't want to go over to my neighbor's yard there, but if you just look at that post on their front porch, or even the porch itself, those are cicadas just swarming up that post. Cicadapocalypse 2024, it seems to have arrived.